Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're a blogger or website owner looking to make your site more interactive and visually engaging, you're going to love today's tutorial. Because in this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a story to your WordPress website, just like the ones you see on social media, in under 5 minutes. This is the full guide, and by the end, your website will feel more dynamic, modern, and personal. Let's dive right in. Alright, first, open your browser and go to wordpress.com. Once you're there, click on Login at the top right corner. To make things quick and secure, select Continue with Google and log in with the Google account that's connected to your WordPress website. This not only saves time, but also keeps your login process more protected. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. From here, look over to the right side. You'll see a section called Quick Links. Click on Edit Site to enter your site's editing interface. Now we're inside the WordPress editor. This is where the magic happens. In the top left corner, click on the Add Plus button to open the block menu. In the search bar, type Story. When the Story block appears, click on it to add it to your page or post. You've just added a story section to your site. Now comes the fun part, customization. You can add text, images, videos, and even animations to make your story more engaging. Try to keep it in line with your site's theme. That way, it feels consistent and professional. Think of stories as mini visual narratives. They grab attention, make your content more dynamic, and give visitors a reason to stay longer. Whether you're sharing behind-the-scenes updates, new product launches, or your blogging journey, stories can help you connect more deeply with your audience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more WordPress tips and website tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.